Yeah, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back to the channel. And you know we're fully out here without fear like all the time. Now people, coming up in this video, we have the Alliance crew. You see what I say? The Bounty Killer, the Movado, the Vibes Cartel, the Bling Dog, the Wayne Marshall, the Busy Signal, and you don't know the whole alliance movements from back then. You see what I say? So right now we see Bounty Killer send a big up to Movado upon him Earth Strong. You see what I say, people? And we are say, yeah, it's a good look. Cause don't forget, alliance are come from a way back, people, yeah man. And we see which part Movado farm him Gully Alliance, and we see Vibes Cartel Station him farm him Portmore Alliance. You see what I say? Yeah. And we don't know over the years them did have a bad vibes between the Alliance and, you see me, the Gaza and the Gully thing they were going. You don't know that thing they're going on, people. The whole heap of ego where the artists them have. You see what I say? So right now, I see them I put the ego them aside. You see what I say? Cause from early out, from you don't know, Vibes Cartel and Bounty Killer, they men up for them thing for a long time. So right now, the people them did I say what go on with Bounty and Movado and Cartel and Movado. You see what I say? Yeah, so right now we see Bounty Killer play the big man role. You see what I say? Yeah. Send a big up to Movado upon him birthday, and we say, yeah, people, it's a good look. You see what I say? Right there, so it for them, man, and you don't know, the King of Kingston album, they don't know, say, right now, them promise to drop it in the December, yeah, so right now, we say, December broke the corner, so right now, the anticipating that the album is here again, you see what I say, people? Yeah, man,
y'all say yes. No, y'all don't get so such a when cook another. Them a big up them chest, y'all say yes. From you know one of things again. No mercy. Let you make them. Show me the big house and the Toyota Star yet. Come with your money, no passes. What y'all not talking at the thing them nugget. We not tell frack some holy some promoting a girl them never see it yet. Rock way in a come from Nazareth. Big chain a kill them and
the
your
alliance
bracelet.
movements back up and running. Yeah, it would have good to see the full alliance movements again on stage. You see what I say, people? Remember, man, we lose the little juggling thing there in the dance hall because of the whole ego thing with the artists. Them artists not these, so them never want they on the same rhythm. Them now want to work with the same producer. Now, people, just make me know how you feel down in the comment section. You feel like say the return of the alliance dance hall like nice again. Let me know how you feel. Fully mad. Yeah, man, I don't know, we're fully out here without fear like all the time.
Oh, them sound like them ready now. Why they got it out there now? Send out the gun on the gully. Yo, the sound of peace, the power of peace. Yo, I put a grip on a stand, bam, bam, bam. This time you have got the fucking come on. Come on, for your girl, don't know. We don't sing a song there. Will you tell them they're the real man? Them are just some. Where's some agenda? Father! Where is it? God knows taking this thing, I shall not stick in a boy. Look back, some kick, I shall not kick it up. Hey, my guy, Papa fight, speaking of why. Watch it. Well, it's a alliance when no pussy can't kill. 10, 11 years when they are the top still. Fly past and this is how we tranquil. No, they hear me. Master, what a master, what a master. You know what that pussy was on trouble, no. Hey, mama. All night long, I wanna rock with you, baby. Gonna feel this time. Rock and roll and rock. Let me see, let you my heart stop, baby. You look good, baby. I am mad, and wicked in a way, wicked again. I am mad, and wicked in a way, wicked we are going to tell the world. I hate this. Wicked in a way, blood clot, classic. This way,
Why? Now you make it like
Abota!
I mean, I say, yeah, people, yeah, viewers. You don't know, say, Busy Signal are one of the baddest artists in a dance around the side there. You see what me I say, but you same time the artists touch out there so in the world, people. Me I tell you, say, a crazy love out there for the man, G. Yeah, man. I mean, I say, me not even know. I want place around, I want part, I want somewhere in the world, you know, brother. And me I tell you, say, yo, it take almost the whole army to back off the people them off of the man and not even like say the people them a try hurt the man or anything, you know. Ones and ones just want to touch the signal. You see what me I say? Turf president in the building. You see what me I say? Yeah man, people them just want get a good look on the turf president and even want one touch off of the turf president. And me I say a crazy love round of them place there for the turf man. Yeah people, it's a good look. Busy signal to the world again. You see what me I say? Yeah man, alliance you know man, watch you know man. Busy signal. Like how you do it youth. I mean I say continue keep the thing rolling. Yeah man, you fire the flag high my brother. I mean I say it's a good look. People make me know how to feel long in the comment section. Crazy love for Busy Signal out there in the world, you know.